Hi everyone. My name is Chelsea Offers and I teach 5th and 6th grade reading at MMCRU in Remsen, Iowa. And today I'm going to show you how to add a material to your Google Classroom. Okay, so this step is already assuming that you have your Gmail account, that you've set up a classroom, and all of that. Okay, so first, what you are going to do is you are going to have to be logged in, and then you're going to go to the icon up at the top and go to Classroom. Once you get to this point, you will have to click on the classroom that you want to add a material to or a resource for your students to use.
Next step.
Okay, so now you are on the stream. Once you get to this page, you're going to want to go up to the top where it says classwork and click on that. Okay, then you are going to want to go to create, where you will have a whole list of different options. So this is where you'll make your assignment, your quizzes, your question, anything like that. So you are going to go to material. Okay, and then you are going to want to name it. So in this case, I am going to name it nonfiction traits. So this is going to be notes that my students can pull up and look at if they need help signifying or saying what is nonfiction text. So I'm just going to write a little description in here. This resource may be used to help you decide if a text is nonfiction. Okay, for topic, this is kind of like your folder that you're going to put it in so that you can keep it organized. So I am going to pick fiction versus nonfiction since that's where they will find it. So when they get into their on their page, they'll go to fiction versus nonfiction, and then it will be listed under there. I have mine in my drive. So I'm going to go find it. Here's my option. So I'm going to click on this one since that's my nonfiction one. And then I'm going to post it. You do have different options if it's something that you don't want them to see right away, if you want to schedule it, or if you want to save it to maybe come back and add to it. But for my case right now, I'm just going to go ahead and post it, and then it should be up at the top. And that's all you need to do. Thank you.